Affordable dental crowns, Turkey's competitive advantage. With regards to dental health, among the most popular procedures patients are required to undergo is the procedure of having dental crowns. They are used to repair decayed or damaged teeth by restoring their shape, dimensions, strength, and size. The cost for dental crowns varies dramatically based on where you go to get them. Recent years have seen Turkey has become one of the most popular destinations for cheap dental crowns. It has attracted patients all over the globe. In this clip, we'll look at the reason how Turkey holds a distinct advantage with regards to offering low-cost dental crowns. Quality of care. One of the major factors behind the fact that Turkey has grown into a center of affordable dental crowns is the quality services that is provided from Turkish dentists. Turkey is home to a wide array of skilled and trained dentists that are experts in their fields. The majority of Turkish dentists have completed their education and experience from top universities, which ensures that they offer the highest quality dental treatment for their clients. Furthermore, dental facilities located in Turkey come with the most advanced technology and equipment, which allows dentists to conduct treatments with accuracy and precision. A high-quality standard of care assures patients of top-quality dental crowns, which are sturdy and last for a long time. Cost efficiency. Another reason that Turkey is one of the most popular choices to get dental crowns is due to how affordable dentistry in the country. Cost of dental treatment in Turkey is much cheaper than several Western nations, which makes it an attractive choice for people seeking to lower the cost of their dental treatment. Indeed, patients could reduce up to 70% in the price of crowns for their teeth by having these performed in Turkey instead of their own home country. The low price of dental services in Turkey isn't a sign that the quality isn't as good. Turkish dentists employ the same techniques and materials like their counterparts in Western countries, making sure that patients receive top-quality dental crowns that cost only a small fraction of the cost. Cost efficiency is what has helped make Turkey the most sought-after location for tourists looking for inexpensive dental treatment. Tourism opportunities. Additionally, due to its low cost and high quality of service, Turkey offers a unique travel experience for those looking for dental procedures. There are many dental clinics located within Turkey are located in well-known tourist areas like Istanbul, Antalya, and Izmir, and allow patients to integrate their dental treatments along with relaxing time at a stunning place. Visitors can take a tour of Turkey's extensive history, culture, and heritage, tour the historical sites, and partake in the delicious Turkish meals while they receive the crowns of their teeth. A combination of dental services and tourism has helped make Turkey one of the most sought-after destinations for travelers seeking the highest quality treatments for dental along with an unforgettable vacation. Conclusion. To conclude, Turkey's competitive advantages in offering low-cost dental crowns is due to the quality of its dental care, efficiency in cost, and opportunities for tourism. Patients will receive top-quality dentistry provided by highly skilled dentists with the most advanced technology, which is at only a fraction of the expense of treatment within Western nations. Additionally, patients are able to get a truly unique experience during their dental treatments, making Turkey popular among tourists seeking dental treatment from across the globe. If you're considering crowns for your dental needs, Turkey may be the best option for affordable and top-quality dental services.